Welcome back to Good Day, Charlotte. In case you've forgotten, haven't pulled out the old calendar in a while, this Sunday is Father's Day. And if you're looking for a sweet treat to make sure that he will smile, why don't you make a little ice cream with a kick? Chef Maria Kemp, the owner of Beyond Decadence. Chef Maria, good Tuesday. How are you?
Good. How are you doing, Jason? Happy Father's Day a little early.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm intrigued not only by ice cream with a kick, but this is something you can make at home without really having to know how to make ice cream. Like, that seems like an intimidating kind of recipe, you know, ice cream?
Yeah, I think ice cream is one of those ones that's a little bit scary, but this is the no-churn version, so it's really simple, and you can get the kids involved, and there's a couple of different ways you can vary it so you can make it. I called it boozy. You can use wine, you can use liqueur. Those are two of your options.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and get started.
Let's do it.
The recipe is on the website. I'm making a small batch right now, but you'll be able to follow along. You want to whip your whipped cream to stiff peaks. Just going to give it a little whip, a little more. I started whipping it before we came on air because it takes too long to whip the whole time.
Stiff peaks, like if you've made meringue before, similar to that, where you get those peaks, kind of like, you know, when you make meringue and you get those stiff peaks, kind of like that. Is that how you whip the cream?
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Stiff peaks is when you have the stiff peaks, and when you pick up the beater and you actually see the peaks hold their shape, then you have stiff peaks.
Gotcha.
And then you can move on from there. So after their stiff peaks, you go ahead and you put in your condensed milk. And like I said, I'm just making a small batch now just to show you the technique. The measurements are all on the website. And then you fold that in. Folding is just a gentle take it down from the bottom, turn it around, so it's not, you know, stirring it like aggressively. And then from that point, you can go ahead and put in your liqueur. That's where you could go ahead and put in your Baileys, your rum chata. I've got Baileys, strawberries, and cream.
Ooh,
you could put in wine, and the measurements are on the website. Put that in, fold that in, and then from that point, you can also put in chocolate if you want to, chopped chocolate. I just did shavings, so I'll dump those in. And then you could also drizzle it with hot fudge.
Oh, good call, Chef Maria.
So you stir all that up, and that's your base. And that makes enough to put it in a big container like this.
Yeah. Or
an 8x8. This is actually a really large container. I forgot the size.
Yeah.
But I finished a little batch because I wanted to show you how cute this is.
So you just freeze it?
I did it in little shot glasses.
Oh, that's a great idea. So you just freeze it, what, 4 to 5 hours?
Yes, freeze it 4 to 5 hours. And it will take that long. Now, it melts quickly because it doesn't have all the other additives that regular ice cream has.
Okay.
So this has already started to melt. Then put it in the little shot glasses. I've got the little cute spoons. And then I can actually take some more of the chocolate curls.
Oh, look at that. Little dessert shooters. See, all the family could have the shooters, and Dad gets to hold the 8x8 pan in his lap and eat it with a big spoon.
Dad could get the full container.
That's how I roll. Listen, Chef Maria, thank you so much. Appreciate it. We'll have all the information on your pop-ups around town on our website. We're going to take a break and be back after this.